If Photoshop drag and drop is not working on your computer, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes, step by step, so you can get back to editing normally. This problem can happen for a few different reasons, especially on Windows, and the good news is that most of the time it can be fixed in just a few minutes. Before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and Photoshop tips. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to make more videos just like this. First, let's start with one of the most common causes on Windows, which is running Photoshop as an administrator. When Photoshop is launched with elevated permissions, Windows can sometimes block drag and drop behavior for security reasons. To fix this, close Photoshop completely first. Then find your Photoshop shortcut, either on your desktop or in the Start menu, right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Look for the option that says Run this program as an administrator and make sure that box is unchecked. After that, click Apply, then OK. Now reopen Photoshop and test drag and drop again. Now let's move on to another setting inside Photoshop itself. If drag and drop is working, but Photoshop keeps automatically showing a transform box that you have to confirm every time, the issue may be tied to the Skip Transform when placing preference. To check this, open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, then General on Windows. If you're on a Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then General. Find the checkbox for Skip Transform when placing. If it's already checked, uncheck it. If it's unchecked, check it instead. Then click OK. This simple toggle can refresh the placement behavior and fix annoying drag and drop issues. If you still haven't solved it, the next step is to reset Photoshop preferences. A corrupted preference file can cause all kinds of unexpected glitches, including problems with dragging and dropping. To do this, quit Photoshop first, then relaunch it and immediately hold down Ctrl, Alt, and Shift on Windows, or Command, Option, and Shift on Mac. Keep holding the keys until Photoshop asks if you want to delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. Click Yes. This will reset Photoshop's preferences back to default, which often clears up hidden bugs and broken settings. And if you're still having trouble on Windows, one last thing to check is your user account control settings. Sometimes the UAC level is set too restrictively and can interfere with that behavior. Press the Windows key, type UAC, and open Change User Account Control Settings. Then drag the slider back to the default option, which is usually Notify me only when apps try to make changes to my computer. Click OK, then restart your computer so the new setting can take effect. At this point, Photoshop drag and drop should be working again. Start with the administrator fix, then move through the preference options until the issue is resolved. In most cases, one of these steps will do the trick. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick Photoshop fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.